After configuring a viscosity test, you can save the method by touching Save at the bottom of the Configure Viscosity Test screen. Select your path, in this case either internal memory or USB 1, since there's a flash drive installed in the instrument. I'll choose internal memory, Users, Administrator, and then OK. Next, select the file name, enter the name, Test 1, and touch OK. Review your path, file name, and file type, and then touch Save and OK. The test name now appears in the gray test name bar at the top of the screen.